Hello Talal, how are you dear? Hopefully that you are doing well. I'm gonna revise you with some questions in this revision sheet. So are you ready? Let's say Bismillah Talala. So first, question number 6. Let's revise it with each other. Write acute or obtuse below each angle. So we want to determine the angles types, okay? So the first thing we want to remember, Talalo, if you see an angle that forms like letter L in English, like this, that means we have right angle, okay? It looks like a square corner, right, Talal? So yes, it is called the right angle. What about the other type? If you saw this kind or this type of angles, as you see, so that means we have acute angle. Why, teacher? Because it's smaller than the right angle. If you see, it's smaller than the right angle, and it looks like letter V if you noticed. Okay, so this is the other type, which is called acute. And the last type, we call it what, Talalo? We call it obtuse angle. It's bigger than the right angle and acute angle. It's bigger than them. Log. It's so bigger. It's like opening its mouth to eat a lot of things. Did you see? So we call it an obtuse angle. So these are the three types of angles, Mr. Talal. Now, let's check our answers with each other. Question A. You see this angle. What do you think? What do we call it? Right? Acute or obtuse? Excellent. We call it acute. Why? Because it's smaller than the right angle. What about B? It's bigger. Did you see? So we call it obtuse. Excellent. What about C? It looks like letter L. Did you see? So yes, it is right angle. What about D? Excellent. It is acute again because it's smaller than the right angle. It looks like letter V, right? Now, Talal, we want to revise Venn diagram question. Question number 10. The Venn diagram shows some cats' favorite fruits. Use the diagram to answer the questions. Are you ready? Remember, this part, Talal, this part here represents the cats who like mangoes, but they don't like bananas, okay? They like mangoes only. But this part, Talal, represents the kids who like what? Mm, who like bananas only. So they don't like mangoes, just they like bananas only. What about this part, Talal, in the middle, where the two circles are overlapping? We call it the intersection part. And this part, Talal, it contains the kids who like bananas and mangoes both. They like bananas and mangoes in the same time. Okay, so let's see the questions. A. Who likes bananas and mangoes? Uh-huh. Who likes both? Bananas and mangoes? Of course you will tell me, Jinan. Excellent. What about B? Is Linda's favorite fruit bananas? Yes, because her name is here in this part. That means she likes bananas. Excellent. Who likes mangoes but not bananas? Mangoes only. These names here will be the cats who like mangoes but not bananas. And D, who likes bananas but not mangoes? Here, you will go to the part that contains bananas because this part contains the students or cats. They like bananas but they don't like anything else. They don't like mangoes. Did you see, Talal? So this part will be, or this question will be answered by using this part. And here, Talal, in question 13, help Ayla and Kinan to answer the following divisibility questions. A. Is 32 divisible by 2? We have Is 60 divisible by 5? And we have, is 80 divisible by 10? So we want to remember the divisibility by 2, 5, and 10. So Talal, what do we say? Any number is divisible by 2 if it ends with some of these numbers, or if it ends with one of these numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So it is divisible by 2. Okay. And when is the number divisible by 5? If it ends with 0 or 5. Great. And when is the number divisible by 10? When it ends with number 0. Okay? So, is 32 divisible by 2? Look at 32. It ends with 2. So, is it divisible by 2? Yes, we said if it ends with one of these numbers in this collection, that means it's divisible by 2. Oh, yes, the answer is yes, it is divisible by 2. What about 60? Is it divisible by 5? Since it is ending with 0, as you see, so of course, it's going to be divisible by 5, because we said any number is divisible by 5 when it ends in 0 or 5. What about C? Is 80 divisible by 10, Talal? Tell me. Since it is ending in 0, as you see, so of course it's gonna be divisible by 10. What about 77? Is it divisible by 2? No. Excellent. Because it ends with 7, and 7 is not in this collection, so no. What about E? It's your task now. Excellent. Absolutely yes. Thank you so much, Talal, and let me know if you want any kind of help, dear. Bye bye.